I remember her briefly, like, I remember meeting her.
So it might have been. Here's the entrance. That's where the community garden used to be there, but then during COVID they wouldn't let them do it. So it kind of got shut down, but that was a beautiful community garden in there. And then the food forest little, they're cool. And so there's jackfruits. This is basically set up in rows. Like this is the front row. And then it gets different down in there. That's different, and it gets different on the other side. Like that's expansion, but this was kind of like the original front row. There's Barca. This is the original front row here. There's all sorts of different stuff going on, obviously.
Forgot, are these chilies hot ones? You remember?
I do not remember.
There's one way to find out.
Come on, don't be rushing. Don't be in a rush.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go back to the
Okay,
car.
cool, Barca. Hey, oh gosh. Mommy, come.
You're splitting the pole, Mommy.
Hey.
Go back. Those are yam flowers. Ice cream bean, papayas, kava kava. It says Bania. Autocarpuses, pigeon pea.
Uh-oh.
This way. It'll last for a little while. Let's try. I'm willing. Let's see it. I'm not sure. I'm willing to find out though. It doesn't look too secure.
Are those a Makuna bean? Do you know? Or no, these are that yam. No, there's two different things going on here.
Weird bean involved, but I don't
Yeah,
know the
because
name.
well,
Yeah,
you got this one with the little ribs, and that's the one that's got the tuber.
Okay.
That's supposed to be like a jicama-like tuber. But then this bean here, this is flat. So that's, but that's not quite like the Makuna, but could be. There's more of those.
Look at them all. These are like very viewable.
Oh, they're so
I cannot
cute.
believe how loaded this tree is right now.
Wow. Yeah, little durian balls. It's so awesome. I mean, it is loaded. Look at that up there.
Mommy. Maybe we should just let her off now.
Yeah.
Oh, so do you want to walk around now? So you can...
Yeah, the rollies are going too. Actually, I'm not walking mine over there.
Hey! Or...
Yeah, Theobroma bicolor. That was the one.
Jaguars.
Come here!
Jaguar
Hey, come here!
Yeah,
Mommy,
jaguar
come.
tree.
My Latin's not that good. It's pretty mal.
Ah,
I'm gonna put you on the leash. Come here.
Mommy.
I just don't really... I feel like she's getting way too more, like... Oh, look, gnomes. These are the giant liloquois. They are, those are still small comparatively.
Holy cow. Yeah, that's a proper rack.
Oh, look at this cow. Look, someone raised it. That's great.
Oh yeah, a bunch of it got taken.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Okay, Barker, wait. Do you remember which one is which with these peppers? Look, here's one of the black peppers. And they're the two different kinds, right? This one is a different kind from the one that's over there.
I don't remember.
Oh, I'm gonna have to try to find out. No friend. But I couldn't remember where the other one was. This one was. Now, obviously, I see.
I remember still looking for it, but yeah, I don't remember.
Now, I do know also. You know, just to get to eat chips now, that's not happening. Beautiful tree that's coming up right there.
Yeah,
To the
with
right.
all the big leaves on it. It's fruiting right now
Twist.
too. And this is coffee, of course.
Oh, here's a cacao coming up. Wow.
This one fairly regularly. I've not done the other Italian, but
Oh, no, and that's a finger lime. And this one behind you actually is such an inchy. This is the one with the crazy pods. And they're really good for you.
You.
Yes, these ones are super yellow, but these ones are like, they start out like red and green, and then they turn to like this orange. It's a beautiful color. Yeah. And so, yeah, exactly. This is kind of what we have going on at our place. We have a bunch of cacaos, and they're all different kinds. It looks like we're at the camera.
I know I don't usually do this, but
that big tree right there.
What's that? Oh, Brett, did you see this?
God, they look so different when they're young, huh?
You guys ever messed with the green Okinawa spinach?
Yeah.
You like it?
I like it as a like sustainability ground cover. It doesn't grow as nice as the Okinawa one though. I like the purple one better. It grows nice. What do you think?
I just started that. I've
Oh, this
only
right
planted
here.
a little bit.
This right here, is this what you're talking about?
Yeah.
The thing that's a bummer about them though is like here, feel it. They after you pick them, they turn brown very, very quickly. So it's not something that has a very long shelf life.
These young rambutans.
I know, did you see these cacaos on how mental?
Oh yeah, now
The
this
one down at
tree.
the bottom, how big that one is.